I'll start again. Namaste, everyone, and a very good evening. At the onset, I would love to thank Hanaji for giving MSMEs like us a very strong and a wonderful platform to present our case and to tell a little bit about what we do and how we've been associated with this industry for more than 2 decades. It is a privilege and an honor to be speaking in front of such an august and an esteemed audience. So thank you, Hanaji, for giving us this platform. We are very, very grateful. A little bit about myself. I'm Hiral Wangnu, and I am part of an organization called Wang Hospitality Equipment Private Limited. We've been in this industry for more than 2 decades. And, if I have to summarize, we call ourselves the She Enterprise or an organization because we really believe in being sustainable. We believe in being humble and honest, and we really are very enterprising. We are young, we are dynamic, and we are very passionate about everything that we do. So I think over the last 2 days, everyone has been speaking about all the growth that we are going to be experiencing in India with the number of hotels, brands, everything that is coming up. So I believe that, we have wonderful brands, we have wonderful consultants. You guys certainly need wonderful contractors. So we are one of those people who actually want to make your dreams a reality and see that being executed in letter and spirit on the ground. So, there is a lot of growth potential, and I'm not going to go too much into that part. A little bit about us. The organization was founded by Mr. Vijay Wangnu in 2003. At the age of 54, when he maybe should be planning his retirement. He's worked with Blue Star for more than 30 years. And when he started this organization, it was a one-man show. And today we are a very strong organization who's handling multiple brands and multiple projects at any given point of time. We have a pan-India reach. We are headquartered here in Delhi, and we have our regional office in Bangalore. We are a 45-plus employee organization, and we really focus on 4 main segments. So I will come to the areas that we focus on. One is we focus on turnkey commercial kitchen contracting. We focus on turnkey commercial laundry. We are also into architectural solutions. So we are, the authorized distributor for Assa Abloy, which is a Swedish organization. And we deal in things like revolving doors, automatic sliding doors, acoustic wall partitions. These are the things which all of you guys do require, and these are standard branded products which will meet the quality requirements of your respective brands. Of course, we've been the exclusive dealers for Wingcard electronic locks, which in 4-star and 5-star segment effectively holds more than 65 to 68% market share. So considering that security is one of the most important aspects with any brand, you can actually rest assured that, we've been doing this for 18 years now with Wingcard. They really do trust the service that we give to the organizations. These are some of the major, I'm not going to go too much into detail, but, I would certainly love to have an opportunity to talk a little bit about what we do one-on-one. If anyone has any questions, please do let me know. Six Senses Bhutan, we've done 5 different hotels in 5 different locations and all of their laundries as well. Khyber Hotel, Crown Plaza, Apollo Hospital, Aditya Birla Hospital, so various laundry installations. We've done a lot of turnkey commercial kitchen projects, and the latest feather in our cap has been the 080 lounges, T2 Airport. All the lounges, domestic lounge, international lounge, all the lounges have actually been executed by us. And this was one of, a major project of national significance, which gives us immense pride to have completed, irrespective of all the challenges that we've had at site. So because of the CISF and security clearances, everything which actually took 1 day to complete, it has taken us more than 7 days to complete. So, what this effectively implied by the end of it, that we are a very, very resilient organization. We don't give up. We ensure we get the job done, no matter how difficult it is. Some of the reference photos, we've done the entire bar, all the installation, the FOH area installations. Deloitte Hyderabad, we do a lot of corporate cafeterias and kitchens as well, which cater to a huge number of employees who get catered for their food requirements. Various tuck shops across the country. Like right now, we are doing 5 different Deloitte tuck shops in 3 different locations. So at any given point of time, we have multiple projects which are going on for corporates as well. Fairfield Marriott Indore, Jodhpur, Hyatt Place Hyderabad, JW Marriott Jaipur, which is now Leela Jaipur, Radisson Zirakpur, Six Senses Bhutan. This was again a very challenging project because it was in a different territory in Bhutan in 5 different locations. So it was certainly very difficult to get it executed, and we are immensely proud that we executed this installation in 7 visits. So something which actually reflects that we got everything coordinated. The custom fabrication came from Italy. The equipments came from maybe 50 different suppliers. We coordinated all the drawings and all the layouts. We got the MEP and the civil works executed at site. We got everything exported into Bhutan. Our teams ensured that everything reached the site on time. Our teams reached those locations and got them executed and handed over. And we still are providing after-sales service to these hotels. So that, again, speaks volumes about the commitment that we have towards what we do. And Courtyard Marriott Amritsar, another wonderful project that we've done. Service, I think I've elaborated enough that we do focus tremendously on service because we want to ensure that our relationship is not just about giving you the equipment and walking away. Our relationships last for more than 15 years, 20 years. We have some hotels, for instance, where we have sold locks 15 years back. They went for an upgrade 3 years back, RFID locks from MagStripe to RFID. When they went for an upgrade, they came back to us and said, can you give us in writing that these locks are going to work for another 5 years? We gave them in writing, and those locks are still working. Those customers are still under AMC with us. So again, service is the most critical factor that we give importance to, something which your brands, if you actually speak to most of the people that you work with in your hotels, respective hotels, they would have heard the name of Wang Hospitality at some point or the other. That is something that I'm very certain of. Our focus areas, we want to focus on commercial kitchens, commercial laundry, electronic locks, and architectural solutions. So anything to do with these areas, anything where we can collaborate more closely with your brands, it would certainly be of immense, pleasure and an honor to work with your respective brands. So thank you for hearing me and bearing with me. And I'm sure all of you are waiting for your coffee break. I'll pass on the mic.